We need more space.
Our apartment is small.
Too small. No storage.
And only one bathroom.
I hate waiting every morning.
Me too. Very annoying.
How many bedrooms?
2 bedrooms, at least.
A guest room is nice.
For your mom?
Yes, she visits a lot.
What area?
Very close to work.
Near a park?
Yes, for morning jogging.
What is our budget?
$1,500 a month?
That is reasonable.
Call an agent?
Good idea. Do it today.
I saw one online.
Does she have good reviews?
5 stars.
Let's call her right now.
I am so excited.
New apartment soon.
New apartment, new life.
You need a new apartment?
Yes, 2 bedrooms.
Any other specific requirements?
A much bigger kitchen.
Do you cook a lot?
My wife loves cooking.
That is very important.
And 2 bathrooms.
Do you need parking?
Yes, 1 spot at least.
What is your budget?
$1,500.
Per month?
Yes, is that enough?
For this area, very tight.
We can stretch a little.
1,600?
Yes, that works.
Any preferred area?
Near Elm Street.
Oh, good neighborhood.
Close to her work.
I have 3 options ready.
Already? That is fast.
Let me show you photos.
Can we see them today?
2 today, 1 tomorrow.
Let's go.
Welcome. Please come in.
Thank you.
2 bedrooms and 1 bath.
Only 1 bath?
Yes, but it is big.
The living room is dark.
The windows face north.
No sunlight?
Morning sun only.
The kitchen is very small.
Very cozy.
Where is the storage space?
1 closet per bedroom.
That is not enough space.
There is a basement unit.
Is it shared?
Yes, with other tenants.
What about parking?
Street parking only.
No garage?
No, sorry about that.
How much per month?
1,300.
I need to think.
Take your time.
Thank you for showing us.
Here is the living room.
Wow, so completely bright.
South-facing windows.
Beautiful natural light.
The completely new kitchen is here.
Look at this kitchen.
Brand new stainless steel appliances.
My wife will absolutely love it.
Nice granite countertops.
2 bathrooms?
Yes. Both are nicely updated.
Where is the master bedroom?
This way. Very incredibly spacious.
A huge walk-in closet.
And a ceiling fan.
I love absolutely everything.
There is parking too.
A garage?
1-car garage.
Perfect. How much?
2,200.
Per month?
Yes, utilities not included.
That is over our budget.
It just got completely renovated.
I understand, but too much.
Thank you for coming.
We will think about it.
Lots of laundry today.
Moving soon. Washing everything.
Oh, where are you moving?
Still looking.
What area?
Near Elm Street, maybe.
I live right near there.
Really? How is it?
Very quiet. Very safe.
Good for walking?
Yes, big safety sidewalks.
Any parks nearby?
2 short blocks away.
That is close.
Great dog park, too.
We have a dog.
He will certainly love it.
What about grocery stores?
1 on every single corner.
Sounds perfect.
And many good local restaurants.
My husband loves eating out.
It is a great neighborhood.
Thank you for the info.
Good luck finding a place.
Thank you.
This is the last one.
2 bedrooms?
Yes, and 2 bathrooms.
Already better.
The entire kitchen is updated.
Look at that counter space.
Very good for cooking.
I love it already.
Living room is completely south-facing.
So much light.
And new hardwood floors.
So beautiful.
Both bedrooms have large closets.
Walk-in closets?
Yes, both of them.
Parking?
1 spot, fully covered.
How much per month?
$1,550.
Within budget.
It includes water and trash.
That is a great deal.
Pets are permitted allowed too.
Our dog can come.
Interested?
Very interested.
I can start the lease application.
Let's do it today.
Let me get the paperwork.
I need a moving truck.
For what size?
A 1-bedroom apartment.
Small or medium-sized truck?
Which is better?
Small for a typical 1-bedroom.
What about big furniture?
What do you have?
A large couch and a bed.
Take the medium then.
Good choice.
For what specific day?
This Saturday limit.
Saturday is very highly popular.
Do you only have 1 left?
We have exactly 1 left.
Lucky.
For what pickup time?
8 a.m.
You must essentially return by 6 p.m.
That is enough time.
Need extra moving blankets?
What do they do?
They tightly protect your furniture.
Need 6, please. How much total?
$79 exactly.
With the blankets included?
Yes, everything included.
I will take it.
Your valid driver's license, please.
Here you go.
Moving in today.
Yes, we are ready.
Welcome to the building.
Any special rules?
Use the back freight elevator.
The back elevator? Why?
Mainly for large, heavy furniture.
Good to know.
Moving hours are 8 to 6.
We started very early.
Good. Absolutely no moving after 6.
Where should our truck park?
The loading zone out front.
We saw it.
Your trash goes in the huge dumpster.
Behind the building?
Yes. Recycling is there too.
What about our daily mail?
Mailbox 4B. Here is the special key.
Will you give us 2 keys?
One for mailbox, one for storage unit.
We officially have a storage unit?
Basement, Unit 12.
That is great.
If you ever absolutely need anything, call me.
Thank you so much. We did it!
We are home.
Our new home.
I absolutely love this pristine kitchen.
So much counter space.
What are you happily making?
Pasta, our favorite.
With fresh garlic bread?
Of course.
The stove works exceptionally great.
Completely brand new.
Can you believe this gorgeous view?
The sunset is amazing.
We picked the perfect one.
2 bathrooms.
No more waiting anymore.
Best part.
This neighborhood is really great.
That guy was totally right.
Very quiet and remarkably safe.
Park 2 blocks away.
Perfect for morning jogs.
Dinner is completely ready.
Smells truly amazing.
First meal in our new home.
To our fresh new beginnings.
To new beginnings.